In Bihar, 31 ministers were included in the Nitish Kumar cabinet today. Governor Paghu Chauhan administered the oath of office and the secrecy to the new ministers at Raj Bhavan in Patna. 16 ministers including Alok Mehta, Tej Pratap Yadav and Anita Devi are from the RJD, while 11 including Vijay Chaudhary, Vijendra Yadav and Shravan Kumar are from the Janata Dal. Union Minister Piyush Goyal today said the youth of India should endeavour to make India a developed nation during the Amrit Kal. He was speaking at the inaugural of the Public Systems Lab in the Mechanical Engineering Department of IIT Delhi. A delegation of the Khasi Author Society in the coming months will seek an audience with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss the issue of the inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. Bharat Biotech has submitted data from phase 3 clinical trial of BBV154, its intranasal COVID vaccine candidate, to the drug regulator. It has sought approval both as a primary 2-dose vaccine and a heterologous booster shot. FIFA has suspended the All India Football Federation with immediate effect due to undue influence from the third parties. The suspension also means that the Under-17 Women's World Cup, which was scheduled to take place in India from October 11 to 13, cannot be held in the country as planned.